Thank you for stopping by Genesis Warranty and the Adjustable Bed Doctor's YouTube channel, where you can learn to repair your adjustable bed instead of replacing it and saving yourself some big bucks. Let's get right into it. Today we're talking about this particular Richmat dual actuator is the new digital line that Richmat offers for certain hospital beds and a lot of consumer adjustable bed products. This particular motor, the new digital motor, you can get it the premium setup with the wireless remote. You can add features such as LED underbed lighting if you choose to, and there's certain other things like Bluetooth that you can add. So you can ask one of our representatives about that. These Richmat conversion kits replace the Okimat 2 adjustable bed motors that are commonly found in the marketplace today. So if you're looking for a very high quality alternative and a digital system to repair your adjustable bed that has the Okimat 2, this is a good choice. This kit right here, I'm not going to get into about how to install this kit. Watch our video titled How to Replace an Okimat 2 Motor, and that will show you, because it's the same principles as far as mounting and dismounting. But of course, it's going to mount with these dovetailed glide plates that fit over the motor, but it's kind of hard to film this, but as you can see, they dovetail and they fit right on there. You've got hookups here for your massage motors. And of course, you could add the LED lighting and other types of accessories. You can talk to us about that. Our conversion kit with this particular model comes with 2 brand new massage motors. So when you call us to order one of these, talk to one of our experts about your massage type, because we do have these specially done for your particular make and model of adjustable bed. But we can certainly help you out no matter the case. And it also comes with a brand new remote control. All the high-end features, the LED underbed lighting, you can add that to your kit if you'd like. But it has all the features, the zero gravity, the anti-snore features, and your memory presets and so forth. But this also comes with an emergency power down box. You simply just put 9-volt batteries right in there in the event your power went out, and you can just press and hold this and the bed will return to flat. So if you'd like to know more about ordering one of these and how they can repair your current adjustable bed that uses the Okimat 2 old technology, give us a call, talk to one of our experts, and we can advise you on exactly which model replaces yours. Thanks so much for stopping by. Okay, now we're going to program the remote on your new Richmat dual actuator drive. Now, there's actually a couple ways you can do this, but the end result's going to be the same. On the new ones, the new digital ones, you have the pair button and the flat button right here. And also, you have the coding button right there. So we're going to use this, but you could technically use the coding. It's really your choice. This is just a lot easier. Okay, so all we're going to do, we're simply going to press head up, foot up, and the blue pairing button. So head up, foot up, we're going to hold that, and then the blue pairing button. Listen for the beeps. Hear that? All right, motor's programmed.